Hey everybody, Country Mouse here, and I'm fresh-faced. I don't care. Some days it's alright to just go without makeup, except for I did have to fix my janky eyebrow over here, so there's a little pencil in there. Today we're going to look at Sephora Play. Now, somebody else had got me in this subscription. I had it before. I got rid of it because of the fact being that it was kind of played out. You know what I'm saying? And I was thinking last month was my last month to get it, but for some reason I got it again this month. So maybe this is the last box. We shall see. Maybe this box will actually surprise me and I'll end up wanting to get back into the subscription. I don't know, but I've got a good day going on today and it can't be bad, right? So Sephora Play is $10 a month. If you're interested in it, you know, go check it out. It does do a lot of sample stuff. And when I say sample, it's not like Ipsy samples or Birchbox samples. These are a lot tinier samples for 10 bucks. They have had some good things in these boxes. I've got to admit, some good things I've gotten to try out that I ended up loving and all that. Sorry, I had to move that, but that's for the next video. So I've got to get all these videos done because today is Monday and on Thursday we are leaving to head for our trip. And I can't wait. I can't wait. Alright, let's get into this. With Sephora Play, they give you a little booklet. And it has a play card on it for 50 beauty insider points. And you can use it online now, which is wonderful for people like me that don't live anywhere close to a Sephora. And all the Sephoras that was even close to me are not there no more. They're being kicked out of the area. So I'm down to like 3 different types of Sephoras that I can go to, but it's going to take a little bit of a drive. So I like having that. Or you can use it in store if you have a store close to you. This little pamphlet usually has some different things on this side that you can read, you know, bathroom reading material in case you got to go and you want to catch up on current Sephora puns. I don't know. And on the other side, it will tell you a little bit about the products you got. Okay, I'm interested in one thing. I mean, there's other things here, but one thing just like, and if you're new to my channel, you probably won't understand, but when I get to this product, if you've been with my channel for a while, you'll understand. Alright, I will try to make sure I link all this stuff down below. Of course, I'll be getting it from Sephora's site with the prices and everything because there is no prices on this. And now, instead of them giving you those, what are those bags called? Those like canvasy fabric bags, they now give you these little plastic bags that kind of give you a little bit of spoiler when you look at the front. So we're just gonna dump it all out here. That's the end of it. And see what we got here. We'll start with the first thing on the list. Maybe. Alright, we have got Benefit's Badgal Bang Mascara. Now, I have a bunch of these, and I have one open. It's a good mascara, but for me, it's not really, really great. Like, it works really, really well when you add it to other things because I like more longer lashes because my lashes kind of hide until I put mascara on. So I want something that's going to be longer and fuller and give me the look of eyelashes. This, for me, even when I double coat it, doesn't do that for me. But I know a lot of people love this stuff, so I'm not putting it down. It'll end up going into my extras drawer, so when I run out of the other one, I have this as a backup, because I do wear it periodically, just with another foundation. Nice. Another mascara. Alright, the next thing we have here is a Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in Stepping Out. Now, this is not my color. I am going through a major declutter, so I'm trying to not put colors back in that I've already gotten rid of. So I will put this in the giveaway. And it's like a nudie brownish color. Just, it's not a good color for my skin tone or anything like that. So I have nothing else to say on that one. All right, the next thing is Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana Cream. This is supposed to be coconut infused body cream, which will deliver intense hydration for 72 hours, but it does smell like popcorn. And I like the other Bum Bum cream, the regular one. That one smells good and works really good with my skin. This one, not so good. It feels kind of gross on my skin even a couple hours later. It's like it's not absorbing, but it will go into the giveaway because I've heard other people love that, so they can go play with that if they win the giveaway. All right, we have a It Cosmetics Under Eye Cream, smooths, brightens, and depuffs. And if I could just get what's going on in this picture over here, that'd be great. Because her lines seem to have pretty much almost disappeared to a blurring effect. So I will give this a go. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm curious. All right, we have Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Reconstructing Bond Repair Leave-In Heat Protection. Strengthens and protects damaged hair up to 450 degrees. Nice little hair product. Now, if you've seen my Birchbox video, I got the shampoo and conditioner. And I'll give you an update on that one right now, because I tried it just the shampoo and it's still like right up here around my head. Not down here, but up around my head. It felt like I had some really gooey, sticky gel in my hair afterwards. And when I tried to brush my hair, it was like pulling all my hair out. Well, I learned if you blow dry your hair, and that was just using the shampoo, as soon as you blow dry your hair, you can brush your hair and it's fine. And your hair feels amazing, looks good, and everything else. So I went ahead and tried the shampoo and the conditioner. Same thing happened. I had to actually dry my hair or wait for it to air dry. I couldn't wait 10-15 minutes for it to get a little dry and then brush it like I normally do, because it was tearing out big chunks. I don't know what was going on, but it was always around the actual scalp. I'm going to give this a go, but it might end up in the same place as that shampoo and conditioner. I mean, my hair felt amazing, but I had to go that extra step of waiting. And when you wash your hair, you don't really want to wait. You want to get it done and over with. I need to keep as much time as possible for myself, especially right now. Oh, I'm so excited about the information I found out today. All right, and the last thing, this was my excitement. It's the Viktor Rolf Magic Salty Flower. Now, I love their flower bomb, and there's another one that we just recently got. I believe it was, it's the vanilla one from this company. And it smelled amazing. Of course, it's just a little sample. No, I'm fine with that. We have something we can spray this on. Let's spray it on the box. Let's give it a second, because that's a lot of alcohol smell, like rubbing alcohol smell. Fragrance family is floral. Top notes is salt, flower, accord. Middle note is frangipani, some kind of flower. And base note is cashmere. It would be alright if it didn't have that alcohol smell. That alcohol smell is like the top note. When you put your nose down to it, that is the top note. Now, it could be different after it's set on my body for a second, but I didn't spray it on there because just curious at the moment, but I think this is the first one that I'm just like, it's not for me, but it happens. If you've smelled this before, let me know what you think it smells like. But that is all I have for the Sephora Play subscription. What did you guys think? What did you guys get? I know they do so many different alternative boxes and whatnots. What did you guys get? Do you want to swap some things? I have some things going into the giveaway, and we will be doing the giveaway pretty soon. I believe next week after I get back from my vacation this week. So probably around 27th of May. Because 28th, I go back to work. That is my big excitement. I'm excited. Alright, that is all I have for you guys today. I will see you all later. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. And leave me a comment. Let me know what's going on in your lives. Let me know what's going on in these boxes. If you know of a new subscription box that is amazing, whether you've went and got it yet or not, let me know that information down below, because I am looking for new subscription boxes that I can bless you guys with. I'll see y'all later.